Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive into the details of two popular power supplies, the MSI MAG A550BN and the Corsair RM850E. We'll explore their specifications, performance, and features to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to power output, the Corsair RM850E clearly takes the lead with its impressive 850 watts, making it suitable for high-performance builds. In contrast, the MSI MAG A550BN offers a more modest 550 watts, which may suffice for basic systems but limits future upgrades. If you're planning to run demanding components, the RM850E is the better choice. Efficiency is another crucial factor to consider. The Corsair RM850E boasts an 80+ gold rating, ensuring higher energy efficiency and lower electricity bills over time. The MSI MAG A550BN, while still decent with its 80+ bronze rating, falls short in this area. For those who prioritize energy savings, the RM850E is the clear winner. Lastly, let's talk about modularity. The Corsair RM850E features a fully modular design, allowing users to connect only the cables they need, which significantly improves cable management and airflow within the case. On the other hand, the MSI MAG A550BN is a non-modular power supply, meaning all cables are fixed, which can lead to a cluttered setup. For those who value a clean build, the RM850E is the superior option. In conclusion, the choice between the MSI MAG A550BN and the Corsair RM850E ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for an affordable option for a basic setup, the MAG A550BN is a solid choice. However, if you require higher wattage, efficiency, and modularity for a high-performance build, the RM850E is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.